world will turn, and the seasons will change, and all the lessons we will learn will be beautiful as strange.
Wala ko nito. Isa din ko sa mga kuan, sinagop ni Tita Beth. Gisave ko niya mga 10 years ago. Diba? Pinilit kong limutin ang awitin para sa'yo. Akong isang siraulo, hilot nito. Sa aking pamina ng piano, tiklad ay bili, nilaro. Diba? Umusbong tungkol sa naman kaya awitin para sa'yo. Di biro ang gawing sukat ang titik sa tono. 10 man aking diksyonaryo kung ang tugma'y di wasto. Basta't isipin di magbabago. Nag-lag. Mo-share na lang kung mitras nag-lag siya. But unfortunately, I'm not allowed to sing anymore. Pero makanta ko parang Tita Dulce. Diba? Dito na dyan siya ko ito. Message na lang. Bitaw. Patayon na kadira. Bitaw. I'm not allowed kay kanang nagka-nodule ko sa throat. Unfortunately, wala pa kabaw si Tita. Ay, nag-talk naman taan. Agad ko ito ni Adto ko last month. Sa inyo, ha? So, dili na ko allowed ko sing unta. Kay tungod ani. Nana siya. Muna niyon daw ko sa comedy bar, sa mga kuan, ano. But, message na lang daw ko, no. 2013, nag-meet me first ni Tita during Sinulog Short Film Festival. Kay siyang nakadaog for Best Actress. Yes, ato nga time. And, unfortunately, nakadaog ko for Best Actor. Best Actress, undat akong hangyo ni sa Sinulog Foundation, pero ang Best Actor man lang gihatag. Ako na lang gina. Oh, ingani na akong beauty, mami. Pero nangibulong ko, maurag yapon ang category na lang gihatag, pero okay lang. Dito may nagkakita ni Tita, na siya sa kong friend niya, ako siyang gikoy. Tita Dulce, friend me ni Dion sa kuan, sa school. Kaya schoolmate man po mi ni Dion sa UP. And then, after ato, sige nagkita, sige na og message. Hi? Sige na og message. And then, the next year, nagkauban mi og sa ka-film. And then, medyo na ay kanang dili nindot nga, nahitabo sa ako personally. And Tita Dulce saved me. So, ibutang talang sa Binisaya, gisagop ko niya. Gisagop ko niya for pila ka months. So, dito ko nagpuyo sa iya, ha. So, kaubanin ako mga bata, asa to si, dara sila Anyo, silang Clark, wala lagi si Clark. O si Bo, niya, kanang, muna, dito kanang, grabe kayo ang mga kuan kay murag, kanang, di lang siya sagop jud, like, gitreat jud ko niya as family. So, nagdako sila nga, murag, part na sa kuan. Yeah. So, Tita, thank you for saving me that time. And, wala lang. Sige, thank you, Tita.
This is daughter. My late Dr. Abby. He's also family to us.
She can walk with her eyes, and she can ruin your fate with her casual lies. And she only reveals what you want you to see. She hides like a child, but she's always a woman to me. Lead you to love, she can take you or leave you. She can ask for the truth, but she's never believed. And she'll take what you'd give her as long as it's free. Yes, she's still like a thief, but she's always a woman to me. Oh, she takes care of herself. She can wait if she wants. She's ahead of her time. Oh, and she never gives down, and she never gives in. She just changes her mind, and she promises you more than the Garden of Eden. And she carelessly catch you and laugh while you're bleeding. Bring out the best and the worst you can be. Blame it all on yourself, 'cause she's always a woman to me.
But I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? For I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flow surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. Oh, but I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flow surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. Oh, for I can't help falling in love with you. With my mom. Yeah.
And Lucas. On stage, please. Yay! Come on. Come on. Oh. Yay! Music. Barkada ni Dion sa UP. Ayun ha. Sunod mo sayaw, inahan.
Still living life after